Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add channel tags on Twitch. So let's get into the video. Open your Twitch account and go for your profile. Now go to create a dashboard. Here you need to go to the stream manager. Now click on edit a stream info. After clicking it, a pop-up will appear. Here you can add title, category, and here is your tag option. You can add 10 tags here. After adding your tags, click on done. And there you go. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please like, comment and share. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.